Are you stuck at a 9-to-5 job that you're not very fond of? Or better said, you downright hate it and hate wasting your time? Are you looking for a new, easy, better way to make $100 a day? Then why not do it online? I mean, the internet is the foremost money-making machine of the 21st century. In today's video, we will be showing you side hustles that can make you $100 per day. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Paid surveys. Another straightforward online side hustle for you to make easy money is doing paid surveys. Did you know that there are lots of sites out there that offer you to take surveys and then pay you for them? Granted, it's not the most profitable venture, but it's worth giving it a shot since it's so easy and available. If you're worried about the legitimacy of this kind of income, don't be. Paid surveys are perfectly legitimate, and thousands of businesses out there use them. Number 2. Freelance writing. If you have solid writing skills and can quickly get the hang of all kinds of different topics in a short amount of time, then you should definitely try freelance writing. Depending on the work, the number of words, and the client's budget, you can make less and more than $100 per day. Some word count requirements are less than 500 words, but most of them are usually between 1,200 and 2,000 words. Nowadays, there are plenty of websites you can search for freelance work. All you need to do is sign up and list your skills and expertise. Number 3. Write sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are pretty self-explanatory. Basically, companies and businesses pay you to write good stuff about them, their services, and/or their products on your site or blog. What you need to do is talk about a product or a brand you like, tell your readers how you use it, and inform them how they can benefit from it as well. Now, how much you earn depends, again, on several factors: the niche you're in, how often you write sponsored posts, who pays you, etc. Payments range from a couple of $100s to several $1,000 per post, but sometimes also tens of thousands of dollars if your site has a lot of traffic. Number 4. Coaching and consultation. Provided that you're an expert in a particular field, coaching is a great way to earn money online. This usually works really well if you first put some effort into building your brand online through your website. Once people begin to trust you and realize that you have expertise and integrity, they will start to approach you on their own. They will ask you how you got to where you are now, how they can apply the same ideas and methods to their own business ideas or well-established companies. At first, you may be tempted to give free advice, but as more people approach you, you will feel the urge to start charging for your consultations. Number 5. Write an ebook or sell another type of digital product. This is a pretty easy way to make money online. For this to work, you have to have a certain amount of expertise in a field, so you know what you're talking about and why you're actually writing the ebook. But you can also write something shorter, like an online guide or a tutorial. If you're in the nutrition niche, you can create meal plans, or if you're in the sports niche, you can create an exercise routine. Nowadays, ebooks are really easy to promote and disseminate. You can put yours on your website for sale, but you can also sell it through Amazon and, of course, promote it on social media platforms. Number 6. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a digital advertising program designed by Google for bloggers, website owners, and YouTubers to use and make money from the ads advertised on Google. It's a fairly simple strategy to earn income online. You will have to sign up with the program, and then Google will give you a code, known as an AdSense code, that you then need to copy and paste onto your website, and that's it. From then onwards, Google does most of the work, and you get money every time someone either clicks on your ads. Now, of course, the success of your AdSense program depends on your niche. Number 7. Create online courses. Offering online courses is similar to coaching, which means you need to have a deeper understanding of a certain topic or a set of skills. With the requirements for social distancing and the overall anxiety the pandemic has set off, online courses have become a way for people to keep learning and stay connected, which means your expertise is likely to be much more appreciated nowadays. There are plenty of websites out there that will help you set up your own online course. Some of the best are Udemy, arguably the most well-known site for online courses. Udemy gives you a vast space in which you can show your talents and expertise. Teachable. This is a site that allows you to create your very own online courses and offer coaching services. Number 8. Sell physical products online. If you're highly creative, have a side hobby, and/or are very good at a particular handicraft, then it's not a bad idea to invest in it and try selling your creations online. Whether it's handmade soaps, handmade candles, handmade jewelry, t-shirts, shawls, other pieces of clothing, mugs, or illustrations, whatever it is, there is a place on the internet for it. Nowadays, there are plenty of online stores and platforms on which you can sell your handmade products, including Etsy, Amazon Handmade, Ruby Lane, Afkra for US users only, and Folksy for UK users only. Great news if you want to start an online shop, you can do it for free. Here are the best free e-commerce website builders in 2022. There are also platforms that allow you to create your own store at an affordable price, such as Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, and others. What I'm basically trying to say here is, there are a lot of opportunities out there. Number 9. Work as a virtual assistant. Bloggers and online business owners could always use a helping hand, and that's where you come in as a virtual assistant. It's usually a fairly easy job that can be done from home. You'll need to do some admin work and post on social media. But you can also act as customer support. The specific job description depends on your employer's needs. You'll do whatever they need most at the moment for their business to operate smoothly. This is why you should first take a general look at the field and decide whether you want to get into it or not, and then look at particular job offers and prepare for the ones that you want to apply for. You can search for VA jobs on the same websites that offer freelance work, some of which I mentioned in the freelance writing section. Number 10. Buy and sell websites and domain names. That's right, trading websites and domains can bring you big money sometimes. If you want to search for websites to buy and later sell, check out Flippa, an online marketplace that offers websites, apps, and digital real estate, like online businesses. Basically, trading sites is a good way to make passive income. How does it work? Well, it's easy. Sometimes, site owners don't have the time to continue running their website, or they get bored and move on to something else. That's where you come in, especially if you don't want to create a site from scratch. You can make money from ads that are already running, or you can try to get a cheaper site and make it bigger, which will allow you to sell it for more money, or keep it if it works for you. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.